Very good morning, students. So today let us solve some problems based on the balance sheet, revaluation account, partners capital account. So the first situation here is new partners bring his or her share of goodwill in cash which is retained in the business organization or not withdrawn. Okay. So goodwill bought in cash and retained in the business. So we'll see the example. A and B are the partners sharing profit and losses in 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. The balance sheet as on 31st March 2018 was as follows. So this is the balance sheet on 31st March. Now here comes the adjustment or who has been admitted to the partnership firm. On 1/4/2018, C is admitted into partnership on the following conditions. So C should bring cash of rupees 25,000. So 25,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ? It will come appear in cash book. So cash account debit ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, cash account debit ಆಗ್ತದೆ and partners capital account ಅಲ್ಲಿ credit ಆಗ್ತದೆ. As it is, capital is always credited in partners capital account. So one entry in cash book and another contra entry in partners capital account. So again, what is 15,000 as a goodwill for 1/5 share in the future profit? So goodwill also he has bought in cash. Okay, so cash account ಒಳಗೆ goodwill ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. cash account ಒಳಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ and one more goodwill account ಒಳಗೆ credit ಆಗ್ತದೆ goodwill. Okay, and 1/5 is the new partner share. Okay, now appreciate building at 20% and stock is revalued at 12,000. So 20% ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? building value increase ಆಗಿದೆ. So it is the gain or the profit for the business organization. So in the revaluation account it is credited, wherein you're going to credit all the transaction if the business is going to gain or if there is a profit arising due to appreciation in the buildings, right? Stock is revalued at 12,000. So 15,000 is the actual value of the stock, according to the old balance sheet, but it is revalued ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರ. So ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. 3,000 is the decreased amount, net decrease in the value of stock. So you're going to debit in the revaluation account. Debit. Okay, and coming to the next one, provision for doubtful debts, that is PDD, is maintained at 5%. So sundry debtors ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ? Yes, ಈ 20,000 ಮೇಲೆ 5% PDD ನ ನಾವು maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now PDD is one of the expenses, so it is debited to revaluation account as well as the under balance sheet debtors ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ you are going to deduct 5% PDD. And outstanding salary 2,000. So what is the outstanding salary? 2,000 ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಒಂದು expenses ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So you're going to debit in revaluation account and as well as in a balance sheet because it is outstanding which is not paid, and that is why you're going to record it in the liability side. Now we'll solve this. See, I have told you ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 25,000 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಂತು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ 5,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ 5,000. and to C's capital account, as it is I told 25,000, C has capital in a business ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾನ. So cash account debit to C's capital account 25,000 and goodwill ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಾನೆ. So cash account debit to goodwill account. ಈಗ C capital account ಇಲ್ಲೇನ ಬಂತು? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 25,000 ಅಂಡರ್ C column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. C column, this is capital amount which is credited. Okay, now coming to the goodwill, to goodwill account ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಯಾ? So by cash account 15,000 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ? goodwill ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ. So here it is going to be credited. Okay, now the next entry, ಈಗ ಇದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ cash account 45,000 total ಆಗ್ತದೆ. No transactions on the credit side. So the balance amount, that is debit balance, is 45,000. Again here, how to close this account? ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂತು ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಈಗ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ A and B, because these are the old partners. Okay, these are the old partners. You are going to distribute the goodwill amount to old partner itself, because they have bought that goodwill to the business organization. That is why you are going to distribute the goodwill amount in the old ratio. That is, how much is the old ratio as they have given? That is 2:1. In the question they have mentioned 2:1 is the old ratio. So you're going to distribute the amount according to the ratio and you're going to close the goodwill account. Now coming to the revaluation account. What are the expenses? See, in revaluation account, you're going to debit all the expenses or losses which has occurred to the partnership firm, wherein you're going to credit all the profits or gains to the business. Now coming to the first transaction aitu, ಈಗ appreciate building. So building appreciate andre you're going to credit it because it is a gain. Appreciate andre increase in the value of asset. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬೈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 20 divided by 100, that is 20%. 60,000 is the value of building here. So 12,000 is the net increase in the building value. Now coming to the next here, stock is revalued at 12,000. As it is, the stock value is 15,000 and to stock 3,000 net decrease in the value of stock. It is revalued, ala? So 15,000 minus 12,000. Now coming to the next transaction, provision for doubtful debts. PDD is maintained at 5% on debtors. So PDD to PDD anta baritiri, it is one of the expenses. So 5 divided by 100 into 20,000. What is 20,000? It is debtors here. 20,000. Adra mele if you 5% madidre, it is 1,000. Now to outstanding salary 2,000. Il outstanding salary 2,000 helidare. Adu expenses ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So you are going to enter it here. Now you are going to close the account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ close ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ you will gain the profit which is again transferred to the old partners. Okay, ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬರೋಕಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಏನೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು A and B partners capital account. Now coming to the partners capital account, as it is particular 3 columns. Okay, ಈಗ buy balance brought down. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ buy balance? That is 60,000 and 40,000, wherein you're going to get that capital amount in your balance sheet. Now to revaluation account 4,000 and 2,000 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? That is the nothing but your profit. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ, ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದು. Yes, 4,000 and 2,000, that is transferred. See, what are you going to credit in the partners capital account? All the profits which are related to partners, that you are going to record. All the profits or the incomes, right? In the same way, you are going to credit here. So by reserve fund, here in the balance sheet, you have reserve fund 12,000. So that 12,000 is distributed again among the old partners because it is only related to the old partners, but not the new partner. So 12,000 in 2:1 ratio, that is old ratio ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಯಾರು ತಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಿ ತಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟೆಡ್. ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟು ಸಿಗ್ ಹಾಕಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಂದಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ 15,000 ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಒಳಗ. ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರಿಫೈಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು 15,000 ಅನ್ನ 2:1 ಒಳಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಇದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಇಟ್. ನೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ brought down for the next year. So this is about all the 4 accounts. So coming to the balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet creditors amount ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ as it is, and bills payable ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ as it is 10,000. capital amount A, B, C. So capital is a brought down in 82, 51, 25. That is what they have written here. Okay. Now outstanding salary. As it is, I have told you, it is one of the expenses as well as the liability. That is why you're going to record it here. 2000. And coming to the assets side, cash in hand. What is the cash in hand? Not this amount. Okay, cash account close ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. 45,000 is the cash in hand. That is the asset. That is recorded in the asset side. 5 plus 25 plus 15. 5 ಏನು ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್, 25 ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, 15 ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ 15,000 minus depreciation, add as it is, revalue agide 3,000, so 12,000 is revalued. And debtors 20,000 ittu and less PDD, we have created a provision for doubtful debt, that is you are going to deduct, and 19,000. Machinery ಏನು ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 30,000 directly. Building appreciate agide 60 plus 12,000, that is 72,000. It has been increased. And investment ಏನದಲ್ಲ, as it is 12,000. So illu ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 12,000. So the total balancing figure, balance sheet figure is 1,90,000. This is how you're going to solve the problems based on if the goodwill bought in the cash and retained in the business organization. Yes, we'll solve